In this video, we are going to learn about the angle sum property of triangle. In the name itself, it is the angle sum property. So, the sum of the measures of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum property of triangle. It happens for any triangle, any type of triangle. The sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to always 180 degrees. Even you can check yourself by drawing a triangle in your rough notebook and measuring all the three angles using protractor and adding them. Okay, so the sum always it will be 180 degrees. Here I have drawn a figure, triangle ABC. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle sum property and exterior angle property both we can prove using this equipment. Here these are three wooden scales and these are 360 degrees protractors. These are available in shops. Okay, now here I want to measure the three interior angles. So first we are going to prove angle sum property. So here if you see 0, here this is 75. Okay, angle 1 is 75, and now here 0, here it is 65. Okay, 65, and now here this angle is 40. So here what is the sum? 75 plus 65 plus 40, that is 180 degrees. Okay, now exterior angle property also we will see once. So here this is the exterior angle formed here in this position. Okay, now already we have got the two interior angles already we have done, we measured. Now exterior angle we will check once. Exterior angle we can rotate this. So now 0 to here what is this angle? Yes, 115 degrees. Here what is the angle we got? 75. Here 40. 75 plus 40 is 115. So here the exterior angle is 115. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. We are going to prove angle sum property. So using exterior angle property what we have learned already, we are going to prove angle sum property. Okay. So here from this figure, if you observe all the three interior angles I mentioned, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and here this 4 is one exterior angle I represented in the figure. Okay. So what we are going to prove finally, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees we have to prove. So for that first we are applying exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay. So can we write angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4? How it is? Using exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. Now by adding angle 3 on both the sides, what we will get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to angle 4 plus angle 3. So we are adding angle 3 on both the sides. So we will write in the bracket adding angle 3 on both sides. Okay. So here now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to, can we write angle 3 plus angle 4 as 180 degrees? How it is actually? So here angle 4 is the exterior angle, already we discussed that. So exterior angle how it is formed? By producing the side of the triangle. Okay, so by extending, so definitely it is the straight line. So both together it forms a straight angle, that is 180 degrees. So in that way angle 4 plus angle 3 we got 180 degrees. Actually many ways we can prove angle sum property. This is one of the ways to prove the sum of three angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. So the sum of the measures of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Now we are going to do one activity to prove angle sum property of triangle. Means the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is cut test activity. For that we need scissors, a compass and color pencils. Okay. And so here even you can do this activity, children. You can prove practically. Okay. by doing one activity. So here this is a triangular cutout, already I made it. Now the three angles here, just using compass exactly with the same radius I am drawing so that it will be looking good. Okay, so here and now from here also. Now all the three angles we got. Okay, now I want to color this with three different colors. Even sketches or anything you can use. Now after coloring all these three parts, we have to cut the three angles. We have to cut like this. So here I cut all the three angles from this triangle. Now I got the three pieces. Okay, now I want to arrange these three pieces here. You can paste these three. Okay. So if you see here, these three angles together, exactly they are forming semicircle, isn't it? If you see here, exactly these three angles are forming semicircle. Semicircle means what? What is the angle in semicircle? That is 180 degrees. If you paste, okay, then exactly you can see a semicircle. Understood, children? So in this way we can prove with activity the angle sum property. Now we do sums based on angle sum property. This is exercise 6.3. So here the first question is, one figure is given, you have to find the value of x. Okay, so here already we learned the angle sum property, that is the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So what can we write from that? 50 plus 60 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. So what will be x value? So here 110 plus x equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 60 we can add. Okay, now we have to shift 110. So 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degrees. So here x value is 70 degrees using angle sum property. Here next figure this is. So in this figure x and 30 degrees are given. Here no number is given. Even then by seeing the symbol we can identify that this is 90 degrees angle. So now how to find out x? Here I am writing directly, means the missing angle how to find out? 180 minus the sum of the given two angles. Okay, 180 minus the sum of given two angles. So 180 minus 90 plus 30. Even here we have done the same, but here we wrote the equation like this and then we shifted. Okay, here we are doing directly. So 180 degrees minus 90 plus 30 is 120. So x equal to 60 degrees we got here. Just by adding once you can check it. Okay, 60 plus 30 90, 90 plus 90 180. Okay. The next sum, here one figure is given 50 degrees x. Okay, two angles are missing but those two angles are equal. So how can we write the equation? X plus 50 equal to 180 degrees. Using angle sum property, the sum of three angles is 180. So x plus x we can add 2x plus 50 equal to 180 degrees. So 2x what you will get? 180 minus 50. So what 2x equal to 130. So x equal to 130 by 2, that is 65 degrees. Okay. So here x equal to 65 degrees we got. X equal to 65 degrees. Now here you have to find the value of x. So here actually no angle is given. In the sense here it is 90 degrees by seeing the symbol x 2x. So how can we write the equation? X plus 2x plus 90 equal to 180 degrees. X plus 2x is 3x plus 90 equal to 180 degrees. So 3x equal to 180 minus 90. 90 you have to shift to RHS. then you will get 90. So x equal to 90 by 3, that is 30 degrees. So here x value we got 30 degrees. Both the sums we have done using angle sum property. Second question. Here two angles are missing. X and y both you have to find out. So let us calculate y first using exterior angle property. Okay. Otherwise here actually y and 120 together, that is straight angle. So 180 degrees. So y equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Okay. So now y we got. Now here actually using angle sum property you can find out x. Otherwise using exterior angle property also we can find out x. So how to find out that? Here this is the exterior angle 120, and for this the opposite interior angles are 50 and x. So x should be 120 minus 50. How it is? Using exterior angle property. Using exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So x equal to 70 degrees. Otherwise we can use angle sum property also. How it is? Y we got already 60. So 50 plus 60 110. 180 minus 60 is 70 degrees. Even in that way we will get. So here x equal to 70, y equal to 60. Okay. Now coming to second sum. Here in this figure 50 by x, and here 80 degrees is given. One thing you have to identify here is 80 degrees is not at all exterior angle formed. But 80 and y are vertically opposite angles. Okay, wherever two lines intersect, their vertically opposite angles are formed and they are equal also. Isn't it? So y equal to 80 degrees. Immediately we can write y equal to 80 degrees vertically opposite angles. In short form I wrote. So now after getting y, you can find out x using angle sum property. How it is? X equal to 180 minus, here this is y is 80 plus 50. Using which property? Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. So using that we are calculating now. So 180 minus 80 plus 50 is 130. Now x equal to 50 degrees. X equal to 50 degrees and y equal to 80 degrees. Both the values we got now. Once you can check x 50, 50 plus 50 100, 100 plus 80, 180. Actually this is isosceles triangle since two angles are equal. Sums. Here in this figure x, y 90 degrees are given. So here again these two are vertically opposite angles. So definitely y equal to 90 degrees. Immediately we can write vertically opposite angles are equal. And now we can use angle sum property. What is that? X plus 90 equal to 180. So x plus x is 2x. 2x equal to 90 if you shift it to right hand side. Then 180 minus 90. That is 90. So 2x is 90. So x equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. So x, this is 45 and this is also 45 and this is 90. Means which type of triangle it is? Right angled isosceles. One angle is 90 and the other two angles are equal, and that to 45. So this is right angled isosceles triangle. Now coming to sixth sum. Here this figure x, y, x, nothing else is given. Okay, but using these definitely we can find out all the three angles in the triangle. Okay, now here x, here y, these two are vertically opposite angles. So definitely y equal to x. That's what definitely we can write. Using vertically opposite angles are equal. Now if it is x, for this angle is vertically opposite. So here also it should be x only, and here also it is x. Why? These two are vertically opposite angles. So in this triangle all are x. How it is? Even y is x. Just now we have written even y is x. So x plus x equal to 180 degrees. So 3x equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 180 degrees by 3, that is 60 degrees. Actually, which type of triangle it is? Equilateral triangle, where the three angles are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. That is equilateral triangle. Hope you understood all these sums based on exterior angle property and angle sum property. Thank you.